He came out with a mixed set of Q4 numbers, while the net profits grew 28%, aided by lower tax. Revenue also grew 12% to 36,800 crores. However, the company's margins missing the street estimates, coming in at 11.8%. Anisha's here now with the highlights. Anisha.
Well, yes, L&T results this time were not encouraging at all. The company did not meet its guidance as far as the revenue growth and order inflow is concerned. But on the flip side, the company has announced a bonus in the ratio of 1:2 to aid the sentiments a bit. Because if you look at the Q4 numbers, they look a bit weak to me, though it's a mixed quarter, to be honest. In terms of the revenue, they were able to meet the poll that we had. The number came in at 36,828 crore, bang in line with the estimates. But the disappointment came on the margin front, and a big disappointment there. The margin came in at 11.8% versus an expectation of 13.8%. In terms of the bottom line as well, optically it looks very strong at 3,180 crores. But this is because there's a tax element to it. The tax this time around was 300 and something crores versus 1,000 crore reported last year. And there was another exceptional loss of around 281 crores. If you strip off the adjustments, the profit number doesn't look as strong as it seems to be. In terms of the other updates, the management says that the order inflow was really strong this time. It came in at around 48,000 crores as far as the order inflow is concerned. But for the guidance going forward, they have guided a growth in the revenues of around 12%, an order inflow guidance of around 12 to 15%, and margins, they say, is expected to improve by 50 basis points in the coming quarters. However, the management commentary was not all that encouraging. They said that the FY18 is going to be a challenging year. They say that the execution delays in the infra segments made the margins come in lower. Remember, in the infra segment, though the revenue is up 8%, the margins came down to 12% versus 15% last year. And that is why I'm expecting that the stock will be a bit muted tomorrow, given the fact that the core business of the company, the infra segment, has really not performed well.
All right, Anisha.